Whirlpool Dishwasher Repair Service in Dallas and Fort Worth services Whirlpool dishwashers that consist of front-load dishwashers and top-load Whirlpool dishwashers, along with all other Whirlpool models. If you are having problems with your Whirlpool dishwasher, such as the dishwasher doesn't clean or the dishwasher won't drain, dishwasher buttons don't work, or perhaps the lights are flashing or blinking, the dishwasher is leaking, the dishwasher won't start, dishwasher won't latch, dishwasher dispenser won't work, the dishwasher won't fill, the dishwasher's overflowing, or maybe the dishwasher just won't dry dishes. We can help. Call us today at 214-260-7732.